Welcome to Market Chameleon. In this tutorial we're gonna do a how to find trade ideas so you can have an option trade on the market. So once you sign up for Market Chameleon 7 days free trial, click on the home page right here, MarketChameleon.com, and then click on this tab, Trade Ideas. In Trade Ideas you got a lot of options to go from. You got all the action and volume. This is all the main main stocks that are trading, and everyone that people love: GameStop, Palantir, AMD, QQQ, SPY, Tesla, Apple, NVDA, etc. We got the Seasonality Bullish tab. So if you click here, you see all the stocks that in this time of the year usually go up based on history, based on the last couple of years. So maybe it's a good chance for you to sell some put credit spread, and it gives you some options which we're gonna go over in a minute. We got this tab of bullish opportunity, same thing, stocks that are going up in this time of the year. Bearish is the exact opposite, stocks that are going down in this time of the year, and some custom search as well that you can find. So if you click on active options, these are the options that are most active and people love to trade. If you take, for example, let's go with NVDA, $136 almost, just going up and up non-stop in the last week or so. 135.93 and 3.3 trillion market cap, same as Apple. They're gonna fight and become number one again. But how do you actually use Market Chameleon for your advantage and make money from selling options? So we got ourselves a couple of options. You got the strategy tab right here, top 3 by edge, and I like to click on top 3 by win rate. And when I do this, I got myself, we're gonna go to NVIDIA again, not Apple, top 3 by win rate, and it gives me a couple of options. I'm gonna pick, let's say, something like this one, because I like to see green and I like to sell put spread it, but put spread it basically to generate income. But you can pick whatever that you want. Another option I'm gonna show you real quick before going back to this tab. If you like to check all the options for NVIDIA or any other stock, click on any right here, and you can scroll and see all those trades that you can potentially trade and make money. Now keep in mind, it's very important, you can lose all your money. It is trading options. This isn't a get rich quick scheme, but it gives you an option with an edge. So let's explain the edge. So let's pick bull put spread. NVIDIA almost 136. That's the price of right now. What does it tell us? It tells us exactly what to do. It tells us for the option of July 5th. Okay, July 5th is about 3 weeks from now. It tells you to sell the 126 put and buy the 124 put. So about $200 collateral, but you collect credit up front of $35, 0.35 times 100 per one option is $35, meaning that you only putting collateral of 165 and you're collecting $35. Now here's the beauty and where Market Chameleon shines, and this is why people sign up to Market Chameleon services. You're getting paid $35, but based on history, this is what you should have gotten paid, 0.18, so basically $18. That's it. So you get paid almost double. Well, if you just put limit order of 0.36, you get paid double than what you should have gotten paid. So if you even do 10, you're getting paid $350 compared to 180 or something like that. If you do 100, it's the same thing, 3,500 compared to 1,800, and you just multiply that. And as long as NVIDIA by the expiration stays above 126, which they are now at 136, okay, so they need to go down by 10 points, which is a lot. It could happen, you could lose all your money, but if you do, you still collect upfront more than almost double than what you should have collected based on history. This is why you choose Market Chameleon, to find those trades, to find this edge. You got a 10.5% edge and a 91% win rate based on history. Historic win rate 91%. So there's a 91% chance that this option will expire worthless and you will collect your 35 bucks compared to collecting 18 bucks. So not only that Market Chameleon tells you, hey, if you want to trade NVIDIA, this is one option that has a 91% success rate to win and expire worthless because you're selling options in this one. But it also tells you that you are making almost double what you should have made. So this is very, very powerful. And if you click on the report, you're gonna get a deeper understanding of what's going on of this specific trade. It tells you bull put spread is the name, expire July 5th. Sell the 126 put by the 124, collect 33, it was 35. It updates for about 20% potential yield. Of course, you can lose all your money. Again, this is finance, this is option, this is risky, but Market Chameleon finds you some option to minimize your risk and generate more income than what you could have made just checking random option on stocks. That's the beauty. And you can click and see what happens, just some stuff, uptrend, technical, just the history of NVIDIA in the last year. And the payout, this is what I like to do. I click on payout diagram and look how far we are deep in the money. Right here, it says current spot. This is where we are. You're collecting the max profit. If you sell this option now, you are already in the money and NVIDIA needs to go down. All this, you're still max profit, and only below 126, you're still in the profit. Your break even is around 125. Depends what you do, 125.70, 765, something like that. After that, you start losing, and your max loss doesn't matter if NVIDIA goes to 100 or below. Is if NVIDIA goes below 124, you lose your collateral, which is what you put between the $200 collateral minus what you got collected as income as 35 bucks, so 165. That's your max loss. If NVIDIA goes down by more than like 10, 13 bucks, which is a lot, could happen, but if it does, you still collected, that money is yours. The 33, 35 bucks, that's yours no matter what, compared to 18 bucks that you should have gotten based on history. And you can check and see this trade again. Theoretical edge of 9%, 91% win rate. It's a beautiful thing. Takeaway, this is NVIDIA. Just read a little more. I like to click here, trade card, just to refresh my mind what we got. We are collecting $33 compared to 18 based on history. This is the beauty. This is why people sign up to Market Chameleon. If you haven't tried so already, 7 days free trial, link in the description below, and I'll see you next time.